Now we will start a new topic of tuple, nested tuple. What is nested tuple? Just like nested list, a list inside the list is nested list, and a tuple inside a tuple is a nested tuple. So, what a nested tuple is? We can have combination mixed data type in nested tuple 2. We can say it's a nested tuple because there is a tuple inside the tuple. So, if we see it, we can see it. If you want to extract India out of this, which kind of indexing you will do? We will do two-dimensional index here to extract India. How will do? T 0, 1, 2, third one element, and in that with third one element we just want first element, and first element have 0 index. We can see how we can extract. So we can have tuple inside list and we can have list inside tuple. We can have nested variation of data structure, and as you can see they all can have integers, strings, floating points all together. Another notion of interest here is packing and unpacking in tuples. How we can define packing and unpacking? So what is packing and unpacking? So far we have been defining tuple like this. Like this. So what is this? What we are doing here? We can say we are doing packing. So we are doing packing of variables. So we are doing packing for elements. You can equally do unpacking like this. We can do unpacking like we are doing. There is a tuple already T, and now if we want to extract the value and we want unpacking, so if you do so, and now if you want to print C, you can see C is equal to 3 here. So we have 4 elements here in packing, and when we do unpack we have to define 4 elements. If we don't do so, what will happen? So if I am defining like this, what it will do? Return. It will throw an error. Why it will throw an error? Too many values to unpack means in terms of number does not match the left side with this one, so it will not unpack anything. So and this the finally you want to view the attributes. So this is how unpacking and packing we can do. And the finally if you want to view the attributes methods of an object, so there is a function we use. This is a function to view the attributes of methods of an object. So you have a function called dir to view the attributes of methods of an object. When you define a tuple or list, so let's say we are defining a tuple t empty tuple. So in the eye of Python interpreter, it's an object. If we do this, so if we do print dir, what it will print for you? It will print all the methods, attributes that you have at for you to apply at the subject P. So one thing to note is that we have used methods and attributes to see here in addition to Python help and directive that you can look at this. Is also here too. If you want to see kind of attributes, you can. With this, we have covered to store how we can store mixed data type, and there are two data structure which are Python and which is list and tuples in Python. We can store different mixed data types which is all together. We have seen different number of operation methods to apply on list, to apply on tuples, and then we saw different data structures after list which is unchangeable, immutable, that is tuple. So it's all about tuple from my side. Please like and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.